how to create social media posts using Canva and ChatGPT. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be telling you how you can create amazing social media posts using Canva and ChatGPT. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto ChatGPT and we're going to generate some ideas, right? So depends on what type of social media post are you trying to create, right? If it's related to business or making money or fun memes or whatever it is, you can do that here. You can get different ideas over here, right? So for example, let's say we are in the niche of making money and we have a Instagram channel that is around giving advice on making money. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us, I'd say, 20 ways to make money online. And it's starting to go ahead and write us 20 different ways to make money online, right? So here we go. As you can see, giving us a pretty decent list. These all look really nice. Starting a blog or website, monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Pretty good idea. Become an affiliate marketer by promoting other people's products. Another great way. Sell digital products or create them as ebooks, courses, software. Great option. Freelancing services, another good option. So as you can see, these are all great options and we can actually use them and create different social media posts accordingly. So now that we have them, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and copy all of these different ideas that we have right here. We're going to select them. Oops, let me actually scroll down. There we go. We're going to go ahead and select them and we're going to copy and we're going to open up our Google Sheets, right? docs.google.com spreadsheets right here. We're going to create a spreadsheet. We're going to open it up. We're going to click on blank right here. And now we're just simply going to go ahead and paste all of these ideas. There we go. So let me actually go ahead and increase the size. There we go. Much better. And we're going to name it 20 ways to make money online. And we're going to save this, right? We saved it. Now we're going to go ahead and export it. We're going to click on file and we're going to click on download and we're going to download it as a PDF. Depends on you. You could download it as a CSV file, HTML, PDF, but I'd recommend going with the CSV file. We're going to download the file and we're going to save it right here. And now we're going to go over here onto Canva and start creating posts. So on Canva, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to search for Instagram, right? And you have Instagram posts, right? You got a square option and a portrait option. It depends on you. For me, I'm going to be going with a portrait option right here. And it's going to go ahead and load some templates for us right here. And we can go ahead and, see what we have right here. Or we could just simply click on create a design and create a blank option for us. We're going to click on the portrait option. It's going to create a canvas right here, a blank canvas. And over here, we can search for it as well. So and here, what you could do is you could even search for it as well. Like, for example, if you come over here onto the search bar and you just simply type in tips, right? And we search for tips and it's going to pop up right here. We could go with something like this, can I increase it? No, I cannot. But you generally get the idea. We could go ahead and choose some of these different options as our social media posts, right? And for me, I feel like we could go with this one as well. It looks really cool. And we could go with this one as well. How to boost your social media presence. It looks like a really engaging post as well. Or you could find something else as well. Like going with the template is actually a very good idea. Now, I do have the pro version of Canva, but you don't have to worry about that because it doesn't really matter. You could go with a free version as well. It just depends on how you implement your creativity, right? It's actually very simple. And some of these templates that I'm seeing right here are actually free versions. So, it's actually really cool. So I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm going to click over here and it's going to pop up right here. Now, what you could do is you could change the background if you want. You could change the font and maybe change the color of this box right here. But generally speaking, this actually works. But if you find something else or something else that's better, you could go ahead and use that as well. We could also use this one as well. This actually is pretty amazing as well. Very simple. So we could go with this. We could change our, add right here and we could add our own Instagram bio or name right here or Instagram username right here. We'll just type in username here and you can add your own username right here. Next, what you could do is you could go ahead and, type whatever you want. So we'll just say, we'll actually just go ahead and type over here 20 ways to make money online, like so. Looks pretty cool. We could maybe change up the font as a little bit, or make it a little bit bolder. There we go. Looks much better. And put it right over here. And over here we could type in whichever we want. The best 20 ways to make money online. This one actually looks really cool. Next, what you could do is maybe change up the background as well. Like, for example, maybe give it a little bit more brighter color, like a yellow or green. It depends on you, like a bluish color. We could even go with a gradient color as well. It looks pretty cool. It depends on you. This one actually, I like it really well. Blends in with the element as well. Looks really cool, this one as well. So we're going to keep this one. And now what we can do is we can click on create bulk right here. Let me actually close this. Now, if you don't know where you can find this option, just simply click on apps and you will find it right here. You will see bulk create right here. Next, we want to click on bulk create. All right. We can enter in data manually, or we can upload the CSV file. This is why I made you download the CSV file. So we're going to click on upload CSV file. We're going to click on documents and select our file right here, and it's going to sync right here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to right click over here and hover our mouse on connect data. We're going to click over here, and there we go. We've gotten this right here, right? But it's a little bit different, not quite what I had planned, but this is actually how it would look. Next, what we could do is just simply click on continue and create 19 more pages and wait for a couple of seconds. And there we go. So as you can see, we have now all these different options, and now we can go ahead and just download them. We can also actually create one more page at the top. I wanted to add a page at the top. Let me actually duplicate this page and delete this one. And we are going to type in, there we go. Now we just want to, capitalize it, make the fonts a little bit bigger, like so, and we are good to go. After that, we could just simply select all of them, or just simply remove this one. You should have done this in beforehand, but I forgot. So let's just increase the fonts to 33.3 or 31, depends on you. After that, just give them like minor touch-ups, like maybe increase the size of the fonts, align them perfectly, remove any extra things that you don't need. Maybe I should have done this beforehand so that I didn't have to do it later and become a hectic work. But yeah, remove everything that you don't want beforehand, and once you have your template, then you can connect your data with your CSV file, and then you are good to go, like this, like so. Let me just increase the size of it so that it's perfectly aligned. There we go. It looks much better. And once it's done, you are good to go. Then you can just go ahead and download them and just upload them onto your Instagram account. Now, if you're wondering, maybe if you wanted to add like a caption or something, right? So you could just simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a caption for you. So we could say, give a small summary on number 1 and click on enter. Then it's going to give a small summary over here. And here we go. So as you can see, I had to reload the page. So now it's giving me a small summary right here. And we can just simply go ahead and copy it and just simply add them into our captions. Or what you can do is you can ask it to give you a small summary of the second, the third, or fourth, fifth, and you create a document as well, and just simply type in the comments, or you could just simply copy all of them right here. And then what you could do is just simply insert a row below the type the caption that you want right here. Then you can see which post has which caption, and then you can just simply copy paste them. And that's how you create social media posts using Canva and ChatGPT. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.